Blue Diamond Extreme Duty Rock Bucket Grapple is one of the heaviest rock buckets available in the industry. The Rock Bucket Grapple can sift, transport material, rake rocks or debris, clear land, and more. Use this attachment for separating brush from dirt and other fine material. This attachment can also be used as a land plane to skim off high spots with the leading edge or to smooth out loose soil with the rear crossbar. The dual independent grapples help when moving irregular material like bulky logs and large amounts of brush safely. Filter rocks out easily with the skeleton design that has 3-inch spacing between half-inch thick tines. The spacing easily holds large debris while filtering out small rocks and fine debris. We built our Extreme Duty Rock Bucket Grapple to last with upper half-inch thick steel clamps that can stand up to the abuse of larger machines. The gusseted tips provide additional structure and reinforcement. Additionally, the closed-in quick attach protects the operator from potentially hazardous debris falling through the quick attach area. We prioritize versatility, so we offer mounts available to fit most machines. No matter what machine you want to put this on, Blue Diamond has you covered. Choose from widths ranging from 66 to 84 inches. Reliable and versatile, the Extreme Duty Rock Bucket Grapple